I am going to study. This is the EVS book of class 5th. I am going to do the reading. From testing to digesting. This is the name of the chapter. Different tests. Jumpa ran into the kitchen and caught hold of her mother, saying, Ma, I am not going to eat this bitter gourd. Give me good jaggery and roti. Ma smiled and said, You ate roti. And sugar in the morning, Jhulan teased. Jhumpa, don't you get bored of only one kind of taste? Jhumpa replied quickly, Do you get bored with licking Emily Turmarin? I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing the word Emily. Sure, love the sour. Sorry, this is your sour Emily. But I eat sweet and salty things too. I even eat Karela, said Jhulan and looked at her mother. They both laughed heartily. Jhulan said to Jhumpa, Let's play a game. You close your eyes and open your mouth. I will put something to eat in your mouth. You have to tell what it is. Jhulan took a few drops of lemon juice in a spoon and put them in Jhumpa's mouth. Sir, lemon, Jhumpa replied quickly. Jhulan then picked up a small piece of jaggery. Her mother suggested crush it, otherwise she will know what it is. Jhulan crushed the jaggery, but Jhumpa easily guessed it. Then they played the game with different food items. Jhumpa could tell the tried fish even before testing it. Jhulan said, Now close your nose and tell me what this is. Jhumpa was confused. It is a bit bitter, a little salty, and somewhat sour. Give me one more spoonful. Jhulan took another spoonful of the cooked Karela, uncovered Jhumpa's eyes, and said, Here it is. It. Jhumpa laughed. Yes, give me more. Discuss and write. Jhulan's mouth started watering when she heard the word Emily. When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. Do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? Jhulan put a few drops of lemon juice in Jhumpa's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? If someone were to put a few seeds of soft aniseed on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed how did Jhumpa make out the fried fish? Can you guess the names of certain things only by their smell without seeing or tasting them? What are these things? Has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking a medicine? Why do think they tell you to do this? Close your eyes and tell. Collect a few food items having different kinds of taste. Play a game with your friends like Jhumpa and Jhulan did. Tell your friend to test the food and ask, how did it taste? What was the food item on which part of the tongue could you get the most taste in front at the back on the leaf or right side of the tongue? Which taste could be made out on which part of the tongue? Mark these parts on the picture given one at a time. Put some things to it in other parts of your mouth, under the tongue, on the lips, on the roof of the mouth. Did you get any taste there? Teachers note encourage children to be creative and to explore their vocabulary to describe different kinds of flavors. Discuss how the combination of different flavors brings so much variety in our food. Different combinations of taste such as sweet, sour, hot, spicy may be discussed in the class to develop this understanding. Use a clean cloth to wipe the front part of your tongue so that it is dry. Put some sugar or jaggery there. Could you taste anything? Why did this happen? Stand in front of a mirror and look closely at your tongue. How does the surface look? Can you see any tiny bumps on the surface? If someone asks you to describe the taste of amla or cucumber, you might find it difficult to explain. How would you describe the taste of this tomato, onion, soft garlic? Think of words that you know or make up your one words to describe the taste. When Jhumpa tasted some of the things she said, she what do you think she may have eaten? Why don't you make sounds that describe some taste from your expressions and sounds? Ask your friends to guess what you might have eaten. Chew it or chew it well. What's the difference is? Try this together in class. Each of you take a piece of bread or roti or some cooked rice. Teachers note children will need help because it is sometimes difficult to identify exactly which part of the tongue can sense a particular taste. Put it in your mouth, chew 3 to 4 times and swallow it. Did the taste change as you chewed it? Now take another piece or some rice and chew it 30 to 32 times. Was there any change in the test after chewing so many times? Discuss. Has anyone at home told you to eat slowly and to chew well so that the food digests properly? Why do you think they say this? Imagine you are eating something hard like a green guava. What kinds of change take place in it from the time you bite a piece and put it in your mouth to when you swallow it? Think about what does the saliva in our mouth do? Teacher's note on page 27. Children are not expecting to draw the digestive system. Encourage children to imagine and express their own ideas about what happens to the food in their body. Encourage sharing of pictures and free discussions without any judgment of right or wrong. Thank you guys for watching this. Remaining I will make in another video.